Hey, so we've been building a fort for a little bit, and it's going good. I'm going to show you what we've got done, and hopefully keep you updated on what we do. It's not finished yet. I'm trying not to show any streets or any... Oh no! Showed a sign. But I'm not going to show you where it is, so I'm going to cut till we get to the place, because it's secret, can't know. So yeah. Alright then. It's a small patch of blue sky. It's amazing. So here we are at the trail start, and we're gonna go for a little walk. This trail was actually custom made by me, Jonah, and Tyler. Everything you're seeing has been done by us. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And here we are. That's it. It's quite a walk, but I'd say it's definitely worth it. Alright, so this is what we've got so far. Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. I need to cover this fort before it rains tonight, because this wood, we're not sure it can hold yet. We're gonna put some waterproof stuff on it, but for now, we just gotta cover it with plastic to make sure that the wood doesn't go bad. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if you could see it from back there, but there's these flies. You still can't see them. Oh, maybe. These flies are like everywhere. Don't know where it's coming from. It's probably that bird poop. Or the body we buried. I'd say I'm almost done. Kind of. Alright then, didn't take that long. That's what we've got. It's open there, but that'll protect from the rain. As long as the rain doesn't fall sideways, we're all good. This stuff is holding it down. There's wood under there. That wood is holding this down. Wood under there. And Some wood right here just in case. It looks good. It looks good. This is my makeshift tripod, by the way. That's what I set you guys on. And that's what we've got. Perfect sunset shot to end the video.